Welcome back. I've got another home tour for you. Here's the deal. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I posted a lot of progress reports on this particular home, literally from the dirt all the way to where we are now. So I'm so excited to show this one to you. This spectacular product is from Chateau Homes of Oklahoma. Amazing builder. So I'm going to give you the full tour, all the cool little details that you probably don't even know exist unless I told you they were there. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. I started inside today because there's a lot of construction going on outside because the neighbor's home is being built. But like I said, lots of great things. So stick around. You're going to love this house. All right inside, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the outside first. I'll put some B-roll over the top. So you have a great front porch area and this expansive lot. You've got a lot of front yard here and as well as a lot of backyard, which we're going to check out in a minute, that backs to the woods, which is great. But you do have eave lighting as well. So you got some landscape lighting out there. Really great house. Make sure you check out all the photos and info later, but let's keep going. Of course, every home is not complete without a fireplace because, especially at the time of this video, it's a little bit chilly outside. So my family gathers around the fireplace, and it is a gas fireplace as well. So you don't have to worry about chopping wood, all that mess. Just click the button and you're good to go. That's a win in my book. Now, what some might argue is also the hub of the house is the kitchen. Now we have this gorgeous huge countertop here with the island. It's got Sedona leathered granite on top, which is really cool stuff. I wish you guys could feel it because it is quite something. Very popular. You've also got storage under the island as well and electric to the island on the sides so you can, make cookies, hook up your mixers, griddles, whatever you want to do. Obviously, you do need a place for your dining table. So here's that kind of kitchen nook area. That's a combo with the kitchen here. We've also got this absolutely gorgeous butler's pantry. You've got a sink in here as well as the Sedona leathered granite. Really great stuff. More storage. And then you have a massive pantry as well for all of your cooking, goodies, all that stuff. If you're a chef, there's no shortage of storage there. Now back in where all the magic happens, we've got a gas range, and then also you have got soft close cabinets and drawers throughout, which is pretty great. And they're also solid wood, which is worth noting because a lot of builders, they'll actually use like an MDF or not a true solid wood. So these are going to last you a really long time. Obviously down the road, if styles change and you want to sand these babies, you could do that because they are solid wood. So it's pretty great stuff. Continuing through the kitchen, here is your main farm sink, undermounted. You of course have the dishwasher and more storage as well. And also, is this picture window not the best? Just imagine if you have kids or whatever, maybe you decide to add a pool in the future. You can keep an eye on everything in the backyard, no matter where you're at in the kitchen. So I think that is a great feature. You do obviously have the stainless steel appliances. These are frigid air. Pretty cool stuff. And then moving back this way, you've also got the spot for your fridge as well as more cabinet space. And there is 2 doors to the backyard, which I think is pretty cool. There's also a bathroom right around the corner, which I'll show you in a minute. But if you're coming in from the outside, maybe you're dirty, you just need to use the bathroom really quick. It's literally right here, so you don't have to trek whatever it is through the house. So that's a great feature. Right here, this is kind of your landing outside the garage. So this is the garage door. We'll check that out later. This is just going to be a linen closet for your coat closet. And then we'll check out the upstairs in a minute. There's also a bedroom right behind the camera woman. Shout out to mom. This is that half bath that I was just talking about. That's right by that exterior door to the back. And then the amazing thing that everybody loves is the snooze feature. So right here is your utility room, which goes all the way around through the primary closet and bedroom. So we're going to go this way though and show you the master bedroom or primary bedroom. Lots of natural light in here, which is great with the 3 windows. And something to note about the windows too, because remember I said I was going to tell you things that you maybe didn't know unless I told you. These windows are wood cased. So what that means is a lot of builders will try to cut corners and this part will just be sheetrock and not actual wood. So these windows are a lot more sturdier. They're going to last you a lot longer. It's, I would say, an overbuilt home because Chateau Homes cares about building quality over just quantity and getting the home up. So lots of really great features in this home. Energy efficiency. The attic is also sprayed as well, which I can show you later in the video, but let's keep going. You have a barn door into the primary bathroom here. This is just a linen closet, but you have a nice soaker tub there. And what I find to be kind of a trend, if you come around through this way, I think this is more popular in Texas, but it's making its appearance in Oklahoma to have this kind of two-sided shower situation, but I think it's really cool. And of course you have the natural light as well. Moving through here, you have these gorgeous stone countertops, undermounted as well, and then a huge vanity mirror, which I think is pretty great. Toilet area right here, and then moving this way through these double doors is the closet space. Lots of built-ins in here, places for your shoes, obviously clothes hanging, but then also you have the shelf up there too for, purses, suitcases, whatever you got. A cool feature, the builder decided to add kind of a hidden storage situation. So if you have, you want to put a safe in there, or, if you're into guns or whatever it is that you want to use it for, kind of a nice little good use of space without just leaving it open, because obviously the stairs are on the other side. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. But moving through, like I said, it's the snooze feature. So this is going to be the utility room. Again, you can see that Sedona leathered granite, really cool stuff. And the soft close cabinet doors, again, white this time, but still the shaker design, which is still very popular. Most people like it because it's nice and clean and it's not super busy. But now let's go check out the front bedroom here, which could also double as an office. So the cool thing about this house is kind of depends on what your needs are, and it kind of works for a wide range of buyers. Back behind the camera, like I said earlier, is that other bedroom. So you do have a full closet in here, but it does have the nice front windows. So that's where I'm saying I personally would use this as an office, but if you need this extra bedroom, it can double as a bedroom as well. But that's where I mean, this home is very unique in that it can work for a wide range of people. It just kind of depends on what your needs are. So let's go check out the garage because it's just right around the corner. So like I said, behind me is a coat closet. You guys already saw that. And then here is the amazing 3-car garage. Now, I will tell you a little backstory. The builder and I had some discussion on if we should do a 3-car garage or not. And I was very, not vehement, but I was like, you really need a 3-car garage because no matter what price point, 3-car garage is luxury. So you have a gorgeous 2-car right here in this area. And then you have a nice space here where some people may choose to do, a workbench. I've seen a lot of people do dog washes, whatever you need. Obviously there is an exterior door right here into your garage as well. And then this lot isn't super wide, but we still needed the 3-car, but then you wouldn't be able to get around with like a lawnmower, for example, because this is a large lot. You're probably going to have a riding lawnmower. So the solution was 2 doors. So this side to your, I guess it'd be your right, this is the front of the house. And then you can pass through all the way to the backyard. So really cool feature. Ignore the trash behind me. The cleanup crew still needs to come get it. But I think it's a great feature and something that really makes this home unique. All right, now let's check out the upstairs. One of my probably favorite parts of this house. We got a lot of storage and a really cool space up there. So come on, let's go. Now up here, we do have this great picture window. It does open as well, which I think is a great feature. I know I've said that a lot, but there's a lot of great features in this house. So you do have a bump out right here for, if you want to put in some shelves or whatever you want to do. It's a little cubby area. But back here, you do have some attic storage as well as a full bath, which is really great. So this is almost a second primary bedroom if you needed it to be, but I'll let you guys check that out. You do have the, I think they call that a pillar sink. You do have some linen storage on the side as well, which I think is pretty cool. Obviously tiled out. And then behind this door is one of your storage areas. I think there's a light switch. And you can see really well here that the home is insulated on the roof as well. So really high energy efficiency. You're going to have lower utility bills, all that kind of thing. Now, if you are a pack rat, just wait. There's even more space that you're going to love. But moving this way, you do have a full walk-in closet. It's a walk-in closet. But obviously the built-ins, as you can see, like before, pretty great. Good size. Now, I know I'm really tall, so when I walk down the hall, it might look a little weird, but I am like 6'2". So for most people, the angled ceiling isn't going to be an issue. I mean, I made it through just fine. But more attic storage here. Obviously, you could floor all of that and have loads of storage. I mean, that's probably a good 20 feet back there. But all this space is there for you, and obviously the ceiling is all insulated, just like in the other storage as well. Downstairs now, on our way to check out the other 2 bedrooms as well as the Pullman bath. But I wanted to mention, really cool front door here. This sucker is heavy, solid wood, and then you have the really cool modern but yet still rustic panels here. So I think that's a great choice by the builder. But also the windows. So they are black on the outside, but white on the inside. Black is the super, like everybody wants black windows on the outside, but they're also Quaker. If that means anything to you, but Quaker's a great brand. So no problems having crappy windows. There's no expenses were spared on that. All right, so the other side of the house, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. So right in here is one of the bedrooms. Love these windows to the backyard. I also like that they're super tall. They're not just like small little windows. You have that full expanse, so lots of natural light. Obviously you have a walk-in closet because why not? Really great space. And so we're gonna go down the hall here, and right to your right, you're going to see that Pullman bath. Those gorgeous stone counters again, very similar fixtures to what we saw in the primary bathroom with the white shaker cabinets and the silver hardware. I believe it's brushed nickel, but really great. And then coming back through, we'll find the other bedroom. Now this one, same with the walk-in closet. It does have a little different window setup, but that's because it needs to match the other windows across the front of the house, but still great nonetheless, almost floor to ceiling. So lots of natural light here. And then you can check out that closet space as well. All right, now it is a little bit noisy outside. There's lots of nail guns happening because like I said at the beginning, new construction happening next door as well. But outside, let's check out this patio. So I really love the beams across. Gives it that nice ranch style look, but still modern with the white ceiling. Obviously ceiling fans, recessed lighting, all the good things. Loads of patio space. I mean, check that out. Outdoor parties, all the things. Something to note over here, it is pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. So if you remember, the main kitchen is right on the other side of this window, so the sink and stuff is here. So the builder went ahead and ran the plumbing out here as well. So if you decide you want an outdoor kitchen, super easy. All the hookups are right here. And of course, you have this amazing view to the backyard. It is about roughly 0.60 acres, more or less, but obviously it's winter right now, so all the colors have changed, but in the summertime, in the spring, when it's all green, it's really pretty. A few things to note about this location specifically. We are in South Broken Arrow, but right across the street is Coweta. So I'll show you on the map here really quick where this property is located. As far as commute times, you're only about 20 to 25 minutes from South Tulsa, like 91st and Yale area. But you could probably be downtown in about 35 minutes. So you're out in the country, but you're definitely not like in the sticks. You're probably only about 10 minutes from Coweta downtown, which Coweta, you know, they have a Walmart, they have all the things as far as your necessities. But then Broken Arrow Rose District is also not too far away, where you've got lots of nightlife and live music and all the amazing things that Rose District has to offer. I know I've done a lot of videos on that, so feel free to check out some of those. And also a video on Coweta and the history of Coweta as well. That video will be linked around here somewhere. So really great house. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Obviously, reach out to me if you're interested in seeing it. Like and subscribe for more. And if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. I've been here since about 2016 and continue to love it every single day. It is a pretty fabulous community to be a part of. Linked below, I'll put all of the photos as well as there's more descriptions and info about this home specifically, and a 3D home tour as well, kind of like a street view of the house. So feel free to share that with friends, share this video with friends who are thinking of making a move to Oklahoma, and I will see you in the next one.